Why does your scanner show the P1259 engine code? What does it mean? P1259 is a diagnostic trouble code for VTEC system malfunction. This engine code indicates that the problem with the transmission component that regulates hydraulic pressure for shifting. This malfunction can cause shifting issues and potentially trigger limp mode. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Low or dirty engine oil. Faulty VTEC oil pressure switch. VTEC solenoid issues. Wiring and connector problems. ECU problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture, since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda and Acura vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.